How to do BSIMM assessments with SAMMY. Go to sammy.codific.com. Sign into your account and then go to manage scopes. First, we have to identify for which scope we want to do our BSIMM assessment. Let's say we're going to do this for Business Unit 2. Business Unit 2 already has one assessment ongoing. That's a Cyber Fundamentals assessment, but we will add an assessment here and we will do a BSIMM 15 assessment. This will appear here in my list and I can press play here to switch to this assessment. Now, when I go to assessment, I have the questions of BSIMM outlined here and I can start filling them out. By default, you will be in quick view, which is a one-page overview of all the questions. As I fill this out, you will see the progress bar at the top will show how far I am in my assessment and how much is missing. I can also provide remarks and recommendations here. If I switch to the detailed view, I have the opportunity to add documentation and link controls to each one of these elements. And in the timeline, we will keep track of everything that's changed over time and everything that has been said or commented. As this gets filled out, your reporting screen gets populated and you can click on it and drill down to the different activities. And if you have a target posture set, you will see any gaps you have appear here. My name is Dag Flasche. I'm here to help you. Let me know if you have any questions.